Hi guys, welcome back to No Madness Life. Let's cook. This is a fun little recipe. If you need a snack or the kids need a snack, let's give it a shot. It is called coffee cup pizza, but I'm using a little clear bowl. I'll show you how to do it. Okay, we're gonna start out with 4 tablespoons of flour. 1. Come on. 2. 3. 4. Next, we're going to do 1/8 of a teaspoon of baking powder. 1/8, which is half of a quarter. We're going to do a pinch of baking soda. Pinch. And we're going to do 1/8 teaspoon of salt. Come on. Which is half of a quarter. Okay, then we're going to add 3 tablespoons of milk. One, 2, 3. 3 tablespoons of milk. 1 tablespoon of oil. Oh my God. Are you kidding me? Oh my God. What? Nothing happened. And a tablespoon of oil. Nothing to see here, folks. All right, now. Okay. Now, I'm gonna get a fork. We're gonna stir this up. Stir it up. Making a little dough here. See? There's your dough. Your pizza crust. Your pizza dough. Okay. We've got it all cleaned up. We've got just the dough on the bottom. Just like that. Everything's clean. We're going to put a little bit of pizza sauce in here. I love when I don't have any utensils prepared. So we're going to put some pizza sauce in here. See? Like so. And then I'm just going to spread it softly. See? On top of our dough. Just like that. Just like that. Okay. Got our sauce. Now, we're going to add our cheese. See how much cheese you like, people. Oh, this is looking pretty. Is it not? Then we're going to put our pepperoni on here. Okay. Okay, pepperoni. Okay. Set your pepperoni in there. Oh, maybe one more. Fill that center gap. Now we're going to hit it in the microwave. 2 minutes. On high. Well, wait that shit out. When it's done, we throw a little Parmesan. Grated Parmesan. One more minute. We got this, people. By the time we get everything put away, it'll be done. 48 seconds. Clean up, clean up. Clean up. Everything. Clean up. Oh, I smell it cooking. Oh my God. You hear it? You hear it? You hear that? It's like popcorn. That can't be good. Get out of here, Twinkle Toes. Oh my gosh. 18 seconds. Oh my. You hear it? I hear it. Ding! Oh, nice. Whoa. It smells like a pizza. You see that? We'll see if the dough's cooked. Oh my God. We have dough. Look at that. It's cooked. It's cooked. Do you see this? Hold on. Oh my God. See? It's cooked. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Whenever you want a pizza, less than 5 minutes. It's like a little personal pizza. Well, thanks for joining in. I hope you enjoyed it. It's fantastic. And yes, it's cooked. See you later, guys. Love ya. Bye. I forgot the Parmesan. I'm already halfway through this bad boy. Look at that. See how it's cooked? Look at that. Pizza crust. I forgot the Parmesan. Oh my God. Nothing. It's not complete without Parmesan. Oh my God. Look at this. Anyway, bye for real.